Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to reply to "What did you do yesterday?" Before we begin, if you haven't done so, please smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest English videos. Now sit back and get ready to start speaking English today. Let's give it a try. What did you do yesterday? I studied for a test. I studied for a test. I studied for a test. I watched television. I watched television. I watched television. I stayed home. I stayed home. I stayed home. I shopped. I shopped. I shopped. I exercised. I exercised. I exercised. I cleaned the house. I cleaned the house. I cleaned the house. I played with my dog. I played with my dog. I played with my dog. What did you do yesterday? Leave it in the comments down below. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of our other videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.